Hello everyone, my name is Meenu Singh. I am an HR professional having 13 years of diverse experience in engineering, production and HR. I am a student of ISTD Training and Development Diploma, batch 82. This is my internship project presentation and my topic is developing a competency mapping framework for comprehensive skill gap assessment at staff level. The key objectives of this study were to develop a competency mapping framework for identifying and addressing skill gaps. This framework aims to align employee skills with organizational strategic goals, enhance overall workforce performance, and targeted developmental interventions to raise the employee skills. To achieve these objectives, 6 steps methodology has been adopted. Begin with planning and resource alignment, followed by framework design and competency mapping of employees. Subsequently, data analysis, review, and recommendations were conducted in a stepwise manner. Data sources included self and manager assessments, job descriptions, and internet references. Sample size: all 20 team managers from maintenance department were assessed for 30 skills on 5 proficiency levels. This project has been conducted at Hero Motocorp Haridwar plant under the guidance of Mr. Krishnakant in 3 months duration. Analysis tool used MS Excel. Limitations includes subjectivity in defining competencies, limited flexibility in dynamic environment, difficulty in measuring soft skills, the risk of overloading workforce, and also this process is a bit time consuming. Data analysis done based on 3 major aspects. Number 1, average skill set of overall group, that is determining collective competency level. Second one is skill set wise analysis, which is evaluating each specific skill area. And the third one is assessing individual employee competencies. Now, a brief overview of competency mapping framework and competency mapping format. The framework is divided in 3 sections: skill identification, skill assessment, and development plan. The competency mapping format consists 3 types of skills, further classified as 9 behavioral skills, 11 system or generic skills, and 10 domain skills. The format also includes columns for defining the desired skill level, self-assessment, followed by assessment by manager, and final actual skill level of employee. The last column is dedicated for identifying developmental interventions. At the bottom of the format, all 5 proficiency levels are mentioned in detail. Now, coming to the data analysis part, as mentioned previously, I have done the data analysis based on 3 major aspects. First being average skill set of overall group. The data is analyzed separately for all 3 skills category. Here, average skill score of group with respect to behavioral skills is 88%, generic or system skills is 90%, and domain skills is 83%. With all 3 skills categories combined, the average score is 87%. As domain skills have the lowest score, these skills need slightly higher attention for improvement, particularly in PLC and CNC system. Next is the skill set wise data analysis. This graph shows that in strategic orientation, desired skill level is 3 and average skill of the overall group is 2.8. Also, a total 13 employees are at desired skill level and 7 employees are below desired level. 1 is at expert level. I have analyzed all 30 skill sets in detail. However, only one sample is shown here in presentation. These insights provide a clear direction for targeted improvement. Moving forward towards third aspect, that is employee-wise data analysis, the summary of all 20 employees for all 30 skills is displayed in this table. Using the first employee as an example, his actual cumulative skill score is 106 against the desired skill score of 113, representing a 94% skill score. The skill scores of each of the 20 employees are displayed as a percentage in the graph for better visualization. It is evident that 20% of the workforce has a skill score below 80%. Next is key findings. It reveals a mixed picture of strengths and weaknesses. Collective competency of the group is 88%, which is a good number. Employees excel in areas like passion at work, leveraging technology, and budget planning. Also, 80% employees are above 80% skill score in overall skills, and 40% employees are above 90% skill score in overall skills. These employees can be used as internal trainers. However, there is critical gaps in domain skills. Overall average domain skill level of the group is 3.66 against desired skill of 4.4, which is below the overall skill score. Also, only 10% employees are at desired level of PLC system and 25% for CNC system, which is critical for running the business and need immediate attention. Few more skills like TPM awareness, analytical skills, ISO 50001, and strategic thinking are also at low level. Moving on to the next slide. To bridge the gaps, these are the recommendations and suggestions. Tailored training programs. Based on the criticality can be planned. Internal training system should be strong. Mentorship programs can pair less experienced employees with seasoned professionals. Leveraging technology to bridge skill gaps. Key actions include implementing on demand learning modules, fostering teamwork via collaboration platforms, and providing hands on exposure to technology. Assigning skill based projects can strengthen domain specific competencies like maintenance and robotics. Recognition and motivation. Recognize internal trainers and employees. Also, establish a robust feedback system for continuous improvement. With these inputs, we can improve overall competency levels of individuals and create a skilled workforce capable of meeting organizational goals efficiently. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for being there with me throughout the presentation. I thank ISTD for providing this opportunity and the valuable learnings in the training and development field. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Mr. Krishna Kant, my mentor, and all the faculty for making this an amazing journey full of learnings. Thank you.